Assalamu alaikum. Myself Jannatun Naimampi. My ID is 48. Now I am showing you my software, which is basically reflect of this Holy Quran. Click on this app, loading the home page, and we can see the home page with the last read option. The prayer times and favorite ayahs. And the navigation bar, we can see the surah where loading the individual surahs, and Qaida where is the rules and regulation of learning Quran. Click on this surah, loading the individual surah. Here we can see the individual surahs, and the top of the screen we can see the search button where I can search one surah. Now here is the surah what I search, and click on this surah. The individual ayahs page are loading. Now we can see complete the load of my ayah, and we can see that the individual ayah has a play audio button where I can listen the audio of this ayah. Click on this play audio. We listen the audio of this ayah and click on this pause. The audio is paused, and we can see the ayat top in the star icon, which is basically denoted by bookmark. Click on this icon. This ayah will be saved in my favorite ayahs list. Now we can see the An-Nisa ayat number 1 is already saved. And last one, the Qaida part, where is the rules of the learning Quran is here, tajweed, makhraj, shifat, and click on this tajweed. We can see the description of rules tajweed, and click one by one, and we can see the description of learning Quran. Okay? And the home screen, top of the home screen, we can see the last read option. Sometimes I forgot that what I read last, so that's why I added this feature for continue my reading what I left before, and click this continue reading. It show me the last ayah which I read, and below the last read option, here is the prayer time and the date of Arabic, which is based on the Hijri, and the sunrise and sunset time, and the prayer time is Fajr, Johor, Ashur, Maghrib, etc. This is a basic need for our daily life. And here is the favorite ayah which I already saved. And I hope my app is very beneficial for all of our Muslims, because we could not carry the Quran Sharif in everywhere. Personally, I face lots of hassle to carry this Quran Sharif safely. That's why I created this app where I can easily bring it anywhere, and listen the appropriate pronunciation and learn Quran, and reading the Quran. And it is very beneficial for the beginners who first read the Quran, because here is the Qaida rules and regulation also denoted. Thank you so much.